Natalie, you know there's different levels of disappointment, wife disappointment, that one deals with as a married man. You are in a different, you're like in that tier, there's a sense of disappointment I get out of you. Not the type of disappointment like, oh, I wasted my life on you. That is the kind of, that disappointment is the disappointment that, ooh, say, ga jou divorce, but we call it, we stick it out. You know what I mean? Deur dik en ding, ek is lang af jou gat vol, but we stick it to the end. That kind of disappointment is what I was talking about there. But when I woke up, you've got that low-level disappointment. The type of disappointment where I don't know if you really okay. I don't know he's upset. Now that your naughty child is away, then there's the type of disappointment that's very subtle. Very subtle, like you wake up from a Sunday sleep and as that's a level van stilte. It's not complete DEFCON 5 silence because you technically did nothing wrong. You're a grown man, you provide for your family and you slept in your own house. You weren't drunk last night. So there's no real reason to be angry, but there's a annoyance level that like we could have done something on this beautiful Sunday. That's the level of like, it's almost, you see that perfect. Oh, thank you for the, for showing me. That's a beautiful exhibit of. Natalie, kom eens hier vir my kwaad. So 'n stilligheid oor jou. Ek is al lank genoeg getroud om te verstaan. Jy sien befokkie man net like 15% op die foksometer. Because you can't really blame everything on me because the children were sleeping.